Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm at Wang Cho Korean Barbecue in Chino Hills, California. Hope you're hungry because we've got a lot to eat. This is all you can eat Korean barbecue, and there are 3 possible menus to choose from at 3 different price points. The Prince menu for $21.99, the King menu for $27.99, and then if you really want to eat like an emperor, there's the Angus beef rib, the Angus steak, and the jumbo scallop for $34.99. If you're new to my channel, thanks for joining me. This is where we talk about Las Vegas buffets and the Las Vegas all-you-can-eat lifestyle wherever we are. So let's see what there is to eat. Right here under the chopsticks, there is dipping sauce. Like some kind of salt, sambal, and spicy soy sauce. Great.
This is the chicken bulgogi.
This is the chicken bulgogi. I think everybody knows regular beef bulgogi, which is what this is. So this is the brisket. Let's see if this grill is on. I think the grill is on. The one thing to remember about Korean barbecue is the meat is raw, so you've got to make sure to cook it, but you have to cook it yourself. So you can cook it to the likeness that you enjoy, and if you don't cook it enough and you get sick, well, that's on you. Luckily, I like my meat pretty well done, so there's no chance that I'm going to undercook my Korean barbecue. Alright, let's try this banchan. This one looks spicy. Yeah, it's a little spicy. It's a lot spicy. There's elbow macaroni. Some kind of fish cake strips. And kimchi. Alright, I got them. Alright, I got a fork and I am going to be able to eat this a little more easily than with chopsticks because, you know. Chicken bulgogi. Never actually tried that before. Only had beef bulgogi. There you go.
Or then the banchan is like your side.
Yeah, the sauces. I haven't had any. Didn't dip anything in the sauces yet.
I'm gonna do the popping next.
Let me try this one.
My nails, they use my nails for
first without the sauce.
They like, and then you get a lot of it. This is pretty though.
Oh, thank you.
These are
Hey, we got shrimp.
Thank you.
It's pretty.
And a steak. There is shrimp. This is the garlic butter shrimp, ready to be cooked. This is corn cheese, by the way. They just dropped that off. And we have some vegetables as well. Mushrooms, onion, and some kind of... What vegetable is that?
That's a zucchini?
Like a zucchini, yeah. So my favorite type of meat here at Korean barbecue is the brisket. That's the one that looks like the roll-ups. And we just have some, it's just finished cooking right here. Super hot. Let's see how it tastes. I think this, I'll dip this one in some sauce. That's always good. I think it's time to try this corn cheese. Corn cheese. That is so piping hot. It's like cheese on corn. Corn cheese. I think they're ready. That's hot too. Alright, I don't know if I should eat this with a fork or how about chopsticks? No, that's not going to work. Maybe my fingers. So, oh no, look, we got new the brisket meat, the roll-ups. Oh, and we got some spicy squid. Whoa, look at it, it's like it's all seizing up. They give you this big scissors. You can cut up whatever you need with the meat. Your own pair of giant scissors. You gotta scissor this up. You gotta scissor up this squid.
It could be like
the thing about squid is you don't want to overcook it or it's gonna get super tough. Of course, I've never actually cooked squid at a Korean barbecue before, so.
It's nice, not to have that much.
See.
Because times when I
didn't eat the shrimp
like,
yet.
okay, this don't smell
Alright, here we go.
and something shouldn't be here. Or when I want to go out, I can't wear white pants, or I have to it's like all that stuff on the ground. And the headache. Just plain old.
I forgot to dip it in the butter.
You're going, okay, why do we have to do this in Ninja?
Here we go with the squid. That's not too bad. It's kind of spicy. It's very spicy. That's Korean food. I had to get more of the banchan, just all the different banchan on my plate here because honestly it's one of my favorite parts of Korean barbecue. Got so much meat here to eat, and you know, if you have to finish everything you order or you could get charged extra. Now I've had Korean barbecue before, but I have not had the steamed egg, which I know it's ubiquitous in all the Korean barbecue places, but the places I've been, I've never had it or I've never ordered it. So it's coming right now. I'm so excited. I also ordered some tofu soup, which I don't know if it's going to be like a soon tofu or what, but let's find out. This is the tofu soup, and look, that's definitely tofu right in there. It's not too big of a portion either, just enough to satisfy my craving for tofu. Not just soup, stew.
Shrinking? I'm shrinking. I am. I literally am going to need a juice receipt for my truck because I'm getting it. I run into the freaking side of the curb or whatever because I can't see it.
Oh, that's actually very good.
I'm literally
very hot. Very good.
Oh, did I hit hot bar? But I hit, he was in SUV. And it was tire on tire. But I was pulling in. You know what he did? He was funny.
The steamed egg is here. Get it. Look at this.
I said, but my husband too. I said, oh,
egg. Steamed egg. Yep, that's egg. It's like pure egg.
Oh, I'll put it in Target and I want to get out my pet. I found boy, I couldn't get in the house. I go in the mustard. If I see, you know, I
just lost the egg.
The one, there's this one that
it must just taste like
every time
like an egg, like scrambled egg.
You get it if he's got to come see you. Got to see you, Joey. I'll be in the forest. And then her husband told me, I'm like, oh, there's my
Well, I do like scrambled eggs. That's all you can eat, scrambled eggs. Oh, is dessert included?
It's not included. We can have it though. It'll be $3.50 for the macaroni ice cream.
Ice cream out there? Okay.
So dessert is not included, but it is $3.50 if you want to get one of the like macaroni ice cream sandwiches or something. They have a case right by the front door. But if it's not included, why get it, right?
They come down.
So it turns out we got the king. We had to get the king because that's what everyone was wearing in our party was the king. So it's $27.99 per person. It certainly is a lot of food. I guess the experience depends on what you order and what you like because it's all up to you. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Korean barbecue. And be sure to subscribe for more because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas and beyond.